Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit mini cart in Wix. However, if you don't have a Wix account already, make sure to check the link in the video description below. We have a video that shows you how to sign up in Wix. So I have created a shopping website so that it has a mini cart and I'm able to show you guys this mini cart. Now there are lots of products and here is the cart icon on the upper left corner. We're going to click on it and this is our mini cart. So we are going to close it and let's just add a product in our cart so that we can demonstrate more information. So as you can see, this product has been added to our cart. Let's increase the number. Now we have 2 products added to our cart. Now we're going to minimize this cart and then we are going to go back to editor. So now we are in website editor mode. In website editor mode, we are going to click on the cart icon. Here we go. So we have selected the cart icon. After selecting the cart icon, we are going to click on settings. So in settings, the second option is called mini cart. So we are going to go to the second option. And as you can see, we have customized mini cart option. We are going to click on text. And here we can edit the text from our mini cart. So let's change some texts from this mini cart. Alright, as you can see, I've edited the texts for my cart. Now we're going to go back, close this window, and then we're going to go back to preview. So we're back to preview mode. Now we're going to go and click on our cart. The mini cart pops up. We have changed the name of the mini cart section. We have store cart, and then as you can see, we have go full cart right over here. So that's how you can edit your mini cart in Wix. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.